Hello and welcome from the inside of my 2006 Impala LTZ. The AC blower motor was squeaking severely, so ordered a new one and we're gonna put it in. So come along, let's put one in. First gotta get all the cobwebs off. Alright, first thing are the 3 retainer clips right here. So you need a retainer clip tool. There's 1, 2, 3. This should come down. Unclip the light. And put it right there, because it will burn you. Let's move this out of the way. Next, I'm going to take the 3 5.5 millimeter bolts out. There's one here, one here, one back here. So you've got one here, one there, and then one right back here. And then you have the wire connection right there. So unclip that. Let's see if I can get this out. There's one. That one. You compress that tab. This tab right here. And pull it out. So you're compressing this tab right there, like so, and pulling it out. There's the old one. Let's see. That was all wallered out. Not any good. Alright, what do I do with the new one? Here's the new one. And it doesn't move. Alright. Okay. Now, before I put it back in there, grab the keys and give it a test. Alright, she's working. Alright, so that clip was over here on this side, so we'll line it up with those 3 nubs, I hope. There. And come on. There. And that's in place. Now if I can hold it, I'm gonna have to get in the way here. Up on the top there are, where these thread in, it's like a nub, and this fan bracket fits up into that nub, and then you thread the screws. So when you're tightening them down, make sure that gets completely aligned. See how it's not there, and then it'll sink in. The rubber gasket on there is still new. It hasn't conformed yet, so you might have to wiggle a little bit to get it in there. And when you're tightening it down, make sure it's still aligned. Snug them up a little bit. I didn't look up the torque spec, but I don't imagine they have to be that tight. Alright, don't forget your bulb. Snap your bulb back in there. Line this bad boy back up. Put your retaining clips back in. There's one. You probably should get new retaining clips. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Last one over here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Right there. And that's it. Oh boy, and that's all it takes to put a new AC blower van in a 06 Impala. It's a 2006 Chevy Impala. I don't know what range it is. I think it's 2004 through 2014 or something along those lines. That's all you needed was flathead screwdriver, the 5.5 millimeter, and whoo, got that AC gonna be blowing nice. Man, if that doesn't make you want to give a thumbs up right now, I don't know what will. Just right down there. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.